Another video, and today I'm going to teach you I'm just going to tell you how to install a better terminal for your Mac, because while the regular terminal app, the one that comes with your Mac installed, is pretty decent, it gets the job done, as I say. It certainly doesn't do much more than that. It is not very customizable, so yeah, that's something. If you really want to get into coding, you might want to customize your terminal. This isn't very customizable. You can just change like the font in the background. That's kind of it. And most importantly, it lacks a lot of features, a lot of modern features that you see in many newer terminal apps. And thankfully, we have a free open source solution called Iterm2. The reason why Iterm2 is way better is because, first off, it has split panels. You can say terminal has split panels. You can do this with the built-in macOS split panel feature. However, Iterm2 has it built in. That's the biggest difference. It's built into the app. So like you see in Visual Studio Code, and because of that, it's way faster. Most importantly, it has a way better search feature where you can search for specific text on your terminal screen, way better than terminal. I don't even think the terminal app on macOS can do that. And finally, it's just way more customizable. You can customize the terminal way more, and more importantly, it supports way more plugins compared to the regular terminal on your MacBook that doesn't support, which supports not as many plugins as Iterm2. You might be wondering, how do we install it? Well, simple. Go on your browser, whatever browser you have, type in Iterm2. You just gotta type that in, and it will be the first link. I'll put a link of Iterm2 in the description if you wanna, if you don't trust me if you don't trust me, it's fine. Just type it in and pop up first thing. And if you don't trust this at all, it's legit. You just gotta tap download and save it wherever. I'm gonna put in my downloads file, and due to it's free, and mostly due to it being open source, and so they're basically not making any money at all, just money from donations. You can donate on their GitHub if you want, but I mean, like, if you really like it, and then you go to your downloads, you see the file, you just gotta double click it. It's just expanding it, and if you go to your applications, the app, if I find it, wherever it is, I'm just gonna type in Iterm. Some reason I can't find it, which is embarrassing for video, but should be somewhere here, I think. That is embarrassing. Just give me a minute. Sorry. I don't know why I can't find this app. Oh, it's in my downloads. I'm an idiot. Okay, so basically for me it just ended up in my downloads. I have no idea why it did. But if I just find it really quickly. Sorry about this, guys. You could skip the rest of the video, to be honest. Yep, it's in my downloads for some dumb reason, but probably because I opened it up in my downloads folder. This is the app. Yep, open, and move your application. Yep, move it to the applications folder. That's why I couldn't find it before. And I don't need to check for updates automatically. Yeah, why not? You can do whatever you guys want. I don't need notifications. And yeah, this is the terminal. Just works basically. It literally just works, and I can do, my brew update, for example, and it will just brew upgrade. There we go. I'm an idiot. do my brew upgrade or whatever. And it completely works just fine. Basically, it works perfectly, way more customizable. If you There's way more stuff you can, as you can see, literally immediately there's way more stuff that honestly I don't even want to touch. But for those advanced programmers, it's there for you. And also another big thing is actually you can put in special keyboard shortcuts for this app specifically. In the app, you can make certain commands on this app, keyboard shortcuts for this app, which is something you can't do on terminal, which might be a big deal for you guys. If you, as you get more advanced, you want to have little shortcuts. And yeah, that's basically the app, completely free because it's open source. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it. If you don't like this video, tell me how I can do better in the comment section. And yeah, peace.